To make an eBay listing private, you need to understand the concept of private listings and how they work on the platform. Private listings on eBay allow sellers to keep the buyer's information confidential, and only the seller and the buyer can see the transaction details. First, you need to create a new listing or edit an existing one. To do this, go to your eBay seller account and click on the Sell tab. If you are editing an existing listing, find the listing you want to make private and click on the Edit button. Next, scroll down to the section that says Who can see this listing and select the Private Listing option. This option may not be available for all types of listings, so make sure you check eBay's policies before making a listing private. Once you have selected the Private Listing option, you will be asked to confirm that you want to make the listing private. Click Confirm to proceed. It's essential to note that making a listing private may affect its visibility in search results, and it may not be eligible for certain promotions or discounts. Additionally, eBay may charge an extra fee for private listings, so make sure you check the fees before making a listing private. Best practices for making an eBay listing private include only using this feature when necessary, such as when selling high-value items or items that require discretion. You should also ensure that you comply with eBay's policies and guidelines when creating private listings. In conclusion, making an eBay listing private is a straightforward process that requires you to edit your listing settings and select the private listing option. By following these steps and best practices, you can keep your listings private and protect your buyers' information.